Today we will talk about one of the most important aspects, okay, here in alien worlds, and that is Planet Binance. And we've been skeptical about it for the past few months, and now Alien Worlds officially released it in Medium on how does Planet Binance Missions game work. So as you can see here, they will explain the Planet Binance Techonomics, which I will also explain it to you, how Planet Binance Missions connect with future functionality, since I think this is a lot more different on the actual alien worlds that we are currently playing. But first, if you like this content, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict, and mostly I am creating a game, a review about alien worlds. So let's get started. It says here, Planet Binance Mission is a game where explorers can lease spaceships to go on mission. So every mission have a shared Trillium reward spot. Okay? Explorers will have the opportunity to stake Trillium in order to lease a spaceship to go on a mission. Since the missions are stored on the blockchain, explorers will be able to see other explorers' mission activity. Each month there will be 8 different Planet Binance Mission NFT game cards released on the Binance Smart Chain related to the start date of 8 different missions. Okay, so as you can see here, for you to be able to play at Planet Binance, of course you will need to have your Trillium, which is right here. So if you are skeptical why my Trillium is number 3, well, I teleported it here, and it is I made a mistake, so I have around 255 Trillium available. Okay, so the main difference on this part is it has a mission centered dashboard with statistics for future use. Okay, so this is more like the dashboard, as you can see here. Okay, it says, yeah, there's a mission title, there's a duration, there's also a reward and a rarity, crafts engage, and a departure. Okay, so uh, as you can see here, NFT stats that give you greater performance or the ability to combine NFTs to create stronger items. So as you can see here, the cards has a use right now. So you can combine them and make a better card, so that when you are putting it into a mission, it is a lot more better. There's a lot more better loot that you can get. Okay. So for the tokenomics, there are 4 different lengths of missions. It lasts 1 week, 2 weeks, and 4 weeks, and 13 weeks. That's like 3 months, okay? So at the end of each mission, each spaceship receives an exclusive NFT game card related to when that mission was started. NFT game cards will be issued and stored on the Binance Smart Chain. And you need at least 5 of these NFT game cards per explorer. And as you can see here, it really makes sense that when you have the mission, when the longer the mission, the more powerful the NFT game cards you can probably get. And of course, it will be more challenging, but it will take some time. That is why, for me, if you're going to play this Planet Binance missions, okay, probably my strategy here is to combine. Okay, I'm just going to get a mission, maybe a duration of a week or two, depending on what I currently have, and then I'm going to merge everything on it. Okay, and then when I know that my card is really strong, okay, that's where I put this really good card into a 4-week duration. Because what happens here is, okay, when you're combining it, that's that's the better stuff. Okay, that's the better things you need to have. Okay, so um, as you can see here, collecting a full set of NFT game cards will have special advantages in the future. Maybe you will have more Trillium mine, and there's a lot of things. Maybe a bonus on what cards of you can get. But currently, this NFT game cards have special advantages. Actually, if you are playing Alien Worlds or other games, you should be able to collect this, because probably collecting every NFT game cards is really really worth it. So let's go for the future functionality. So in phase 2 of the missions, you will be able to stake BNB tokens and Planet Binance Mission NFT game cards alongside your Trillium to boost your share and of the rewards. But that's not all. During phase 3, Planet Binance will be fully integrated into the daily planetary Trillium allocations, and then the competitive dynamics with other planets will really begin. So I really don't understand it yet, okay? But I guess that there will be other planets that will be available to be able to stake your Trillium and then get some cards, okay? And I think this review is really 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 great, because currently Alien Worlds right now is really really boring. You're going to have a mine. If you have a land, you've managed to buy a land, then good for you, because probably every land is selling around $15,000 right now. But because Thunderdome is not yet available, you can't do anything around here other than mining it. Okay, so that's that's the very least thing that you should know. And I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from me today. So again, for a quick recap, okay, Planet Binance Missions, you need to stake Trillium to be able to go on into a mission. The longer the mission, the better cards that you might get, okay? And these cards, you can combine these NFTs to create stronger items that probably will give a future use, okay? So let's just wait and trust the developers about what's going to happen here, because Alien Worlds is currently still the top blockchain D apps right now. As you can see here, there's 380,000 users, okay? And as you can see here, the users that has the same amount is PancakeSwap, which is basically a DeFi, and which requires you staking your money, okay? And that's which is really different from Alien Worlds. So that's it for this, guys. I hope you like this. If you like my content, please do subscribe into my channel. I'm always creating Alien Worlds videos and other stuff about crypto and other stuff on my YouTube channel. That's it.